Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen.through.cars. Today we are test driving an Audi A4. Let's start. So this car was built in 2007 and it is close to 300,000 kilometers. That's quite a lot for such an engine. Because under the hood there is a 4-cylinder diesel engine which produces 170 horses. And it is powered through a 6-speed manual gearbox. That's quite good for longer journeys on the Autobahn. Because you can always choose the right gear. You still got a manual handbrake. It's not that modern. This particular model is called P6. They were built from about 2000, I think, and this is one of the last year models. Well, interior quality is, it is a lot of plastic, I think, soft touch. But it is nice. What I really like is the steering wheel. I don't know why, but it feels pretty good. In comparison to BMW steering wheel, it really feels similar. There are only electronically windows at the front. That's surprisingly. I mean, the last car we drove was built in 1994 and it has the same, but it's more than 10 years older. Alright. As I already said, the engine is a 2-liter diesel engine, 4-cylinder inline, which produces 170 horsepower. You might not feel all of them today. Especially this car makes some problem. The owner told me that there is a lot of oil burning in the engine. So something's wrong, but nobody wants to fix it because it's not reliable anymore. You got heated seats in here. They are They are on leather, but they feel good. And you also got an S-line equipment, but it's like the steering wheel is S-line. So the first owner invested some money into this car, like heated seats, then this navigation thing. Of course, now it's old and my mobile phone does it better, but in former times when this car was new, that was pretty good. Of course, seats are adjustable in all ways, and steering wheel is adjustable 2 ways. You got some more space than in other cars, of course, but it's an A4. I mean, it's comparable to the 3 Series BMW, and those cars are not the biggest cars. Sure, if you're traveling by 2 persons, or maybe with your children, if you got smaller children, it's quite okay. But in terms of buying a used car, I might choose the A6 over the A4 because you got a little bit more space, and yeah, I prefer that. But it's not always about space and length. The suspension is more on the comfy side, I think. It's not that sporty as a BMW is, but it's, yeah, steering is direct enough, and yeah, I think if you go many miles with your car, it's a good choice. Some storage over there, cup holder, that's very important, and this one works. It also, yeah, it works. That's you cannot expect that from every car, that the cup holder works. Sad but true. Today we are not in my home scenery. I think you already recognize that because the mountains are missing. But here are some hills, and you might call it mountains as well. They are not that high. But the streets are better here. guys, I hope you enjoyed my last video and even more this video. I can recommend buying such a car, but be aware that the 6-cylinder might be more reliable. And watch out for the mileage. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell on to get notified when I make a new upload. Like this video, share it, leave a comment what you think about it, what you want next, and thank you for watching.